Okay, so we're going to add some ceilings and some lights to our project. Obviously, because we're adding a ceiling, it's going to hide the inside spaces of these rooms. But you can do this at any point. We can just hide the ceilings out once we've created them. The best way to do this is be on the level again that you want to apply your ceiling to. Don't worry too much about ceiling plans just yet. And we're going to go to ceiling. Up in the architecture tab, automatic ceiling is your best friend. So ceilings, unlike the floors which go underneath the entire building, your ceilings are going to be in each of these individual spaces. And the default height of your ceilings will be 2600. So when you hover over these rooms, they should automatically show you. I would change your height to, if you've got 3 meter high walls, change it to 2.7 ceilings. So 2700. And it's just a matter of clicking on each of these 3 or 5 spaces. Getting a warning down the bottom here, that's just saying whatever you're putting in, you can't see at the moment. So because the ceiling is above where I'm looking, it's just giving me that warning saying you're creating something you can't see. I know. Cool. So when I go back to my 3D view, I've got all my ceilings in. Now, as I said, it makes it sort of hard to work inside these spaces now. So what we can do is right click on one of your ceilings, select it, right click and hit hide in view. Now if I go element, it will just hide that one ceiling. If I right click on it and say hide in view category, it will hide all the ceilings. So anything that's a ceiling will be hidden. And even the one that I used out here on my swimming pool for the water. So all the ceiling models are hidden now. They're still there in your model. This little icon down the bottom here is a little light bulb. Reveal hidden elements. Click on that one. You'll be able to select your ceilings, right click and unhide in view category elements. A little icon up there to get back out of this view. Now that I've got ceilings, I can add my lighting for internals. So best view to do that from is your ceiling plan view. So head to level 1 ceiling plan. And don't freak out that you've lost all your doors and your windows and your furniture. This is your ceiling plan, so you're only looking at what's in the ceiling. The lights are going to be brought in as components, so just load in a family. Head to the Revit library or the built-in library, doesn't matter. Lighting, internal. There's one in here called downlight recess can, and that's the one I use most of the time. There we go. In here you can change how powerful that light is, how big it is, whether it's a fluoro light or an incandescent light. They're not very powerful. Well, these ones aren't, so you might want to use a more powerful one. Or to put more into your spaces. Try to align them all. Keep them all in line with each other. Beautiful. You can also copy and paste. Stop them in there. I should align these ones as well. And let's have a look at this. I'm just going to create a view, camera view in this room, so I can see my lights up in the ceiling. That's it.